In a world where dietary choices greatly impact our overall well-being, few ingredients rival the health benefits of sweet potatoes. Their nutritional richness makes them a catalyst for transforming overall wellness. Join us in this video as we uncover the incredible health perks of sweet potatoes and explore their culinary versatility. Get ready for a transformative journey toward a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. Support our channel by subscribing and enabling notifications. Like this video and share your favorite sweet potato recipes in the comments below. Let's dive in. Why you need to eat sweet potatoes every day. Adding sweet potatoes to your daily diet is a game changer for your health. These root vegetables come in an array of vibrant colors like sunny orange, regal purple, and elegant white, a hint of essential nutrients locked within. Sweet potatoes pack a serious punch when it comes to nutrition. They are loaded with essential vitamins like A, C, E and B6, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients collaborate in supporting various bodily functions, from bolstering immunity to aiding in cellular health, thus contributing to overall well-being. These humble root tubers provide distinct flavors and incredible versatility. Whether baked, boiled, mashed, or roasted, sweet potatoes effortlessly complement a wide array of dishes, offering endless culinary possibilities. To reap the full benefits, it's advisable to allow the natural sweetness of sweet potatoes to shine. Avoid adding sugar or oil, as these can introduce unnecessary calories and fats. Retaining the skin is vital as it houses a significant portion of the nutrients. By making sweet potatoes a daily part of your meals, you'll boost your health deliciously. The health benefits of consuming sweet potatoes daily. Sweet potatoes offer a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be discovered. Let's explore the myriad advantages they bring to your daily diet. 1. Supporting healthy weight loss and satiety. Sweet potatoes, bursting with essential nutrients like dietary fiber, multivitamins alongside potassium, manganese, and iron, are your allies in achieving a healthier weight. Their low-calorie nature is a boon for weight management. With a high water content, sweet potatoes offer satisfaction without the calorie overload. Additionally, their low glycemic index prevents blood sugar spikes that trigger cravings. Need a filling snack? Sweet potatoes come to the rescue. Rich in fiber, they keep you full for longer, curbing the temptation for unhealthy snacks. A medium-sized sweet potato provides over 400% of your daily vitamin A needs, crucial for a robust metabolism essential for effective weight loss. 2. Optimize digestive health. Maintaining a robust digestive system is paramount. Did you know sweet potatoes are essential for enhancing digestive well-being? Loaded with vital nutrients and dietary fiber, sweet potatoes serve as an ideal choice to promote gut health and regularity. Their high fiber content regulates bowel movements, preventing constipation, while their antioxidants like beta-carotenoids and anthocyanins alleviate gut inflammation. So, don't forget to incorporate sweet potatoes into your meals to support better digestive health. 3. Improved nutrient absorption. Recent studies underscore the multitude of benefits sweet potatoes offer the gut microbiome. Their high fiber acts as a prebiotic, nurturing beneficial gut bacteria for improved digestion and nutrient absorption. Furthermore, when fermented, sweet potatoes enhance their probiotic properties, contributing to a diverse gut microbiome rich in essential nutrients that not only nourish our bodies but also foster a diverse and thriving gut microbiome for elevated nutrient absorption. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Millions worldwide struggle with diabetes and insulin resistance, thus making blood sugar management crucial. Sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates and other essential nutrients, making them a powerful ally for blood sugar regulation. Their low glycemic index means they're digested and absorbed slowly, preventing sudden spikes of blood sugar, thus making these tubers suitable for persons with diabetes. However, it's important to note that portion control and overall dietary balance are key. Always consult with your healthcare professional to determine the best approach for your specific needs. 5. Boosting immune function. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-packed powerhouse, thus making these humble tubers the ultimate immune-boosting fuel for your body. Beta-carotene, responsible for sweet potatoes' vivid orange hue, kickstarts the body's defense against harmful pathogens. But that is not all. While vitamin C fights inflammation, vitamins E and B6 help in generating immune cells, further fortifying our bodies. Purple sweet potatoes go the extra mile with anthocyanins, a potent antioxidant supporting immunity and delivering anti-inflammatory benefits for overall well-being. 6. Reducing the risk of heart disease. Sweet potatoes are heart superheroes armed with antioxidants, fiber, and potassium, warding off cardiovascular diseases. Beta-carotene, their standout antioxidant, fights oxidative stress, reducing heart disease risk. Their fiber regulates cholesterol, lowering bad cholesterol levels, while potassium supports heart health by regulating blood pressure. Embrace sweet potatoes for a healthier, happier heart. 7. Vision protection. Sweet potatoes are guardians of our eyes. They are bursting with potent beta-carotene that shields the eyes from free radicals and age-related issues like macular degeneration and cataracts. With a rich nutrient profile including vitamin C, E, and potassium, sweet potatoes support eye health. Savor these exceptional tubers that not only tantalize your taste buds but also safeguard your vision, redefining the essence of graceful aging. 8. Skin rejuvenation. Sweet potatoes harbor an ancient beauty secret for youthful skin. Loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like potassium, magnesium, and copper, they stimulate collagen and elastin, eliminate dark spots, fortify, and rejuvenate skin, leading to a silky smooth look. Their potent antioxidants combat environmental stress, thus contributing to a radiant and age-defying complexion. 9. Improve brain function. Sweet potatoes offer a remarkable connection to brain health. Rich in essential nutrients like choline, which is crucial for brain development and neurotransmitter synthesis. Furthermore, emerging research suggests sweet potatoes' potential protective effects against neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The potent beta-carotene in these tubers combat brain inflammation and oxidative stress, possibly slowing the progression of such diseases. Adding sweet potatoes to your meals can be a delightful way to support your brain health. Incorporating sweet potatoes into different lifestyles and dietary preferences. The versatility and nutritional power of sweet potatoes make them a perfect addition to any lifestyle and dietary preference. Sweet potatoes cater to diverse diets. 1. Vegetarian or vegan, use as a base for curry or stuffed veggies dish. 2. Gluten-free, replace grains, try sweet potato gnocchi. 3. Paleo, enjoy hash or stuffed with paleo-friendly fillings. 4. Low-carb or keto, enjoy baked/roasted sparingly in salads or soups due to their higher carb content. 5. Athletic or active, use their complex carbs as part of pre- or post-workout meals to refuel energy stores. 6. Weight loss, consume smaller portions of baked or boiled or roasted without added fats or sugars. 7. Whole foods-based, pair with balanced meals for holistic nutrition. In essence, sweet potatoes are a true superfood, offering a multitude of health benefits and delicious ways to enjoy them on their own or in a variety of recipes. Small changes in your diet, like adding sweet potatoes, can lead to significant health benefits. Make them a staple in your diet and unlock the power of good health. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Also leave a comment below. Like and share the video.